Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use ChatGPT for copywriting. Now without further ado, let's get started. So first I'm going to open up my computer browser and head on to the ChatGPT website, or you can just simply search under the search bar ChatGPT and it will lead you to this results right here, and make sure to open the link that says introducing ChatGPT and it says openai.com. So I'm just going to click on that, and once you have done that, just click on try ChatGPT right here, or you can just simply sign up for an account. Now as you can see, ChatGPT is an amazing platform wherein you can actually command the AI to do something for you. So for example, like here, we have a bunch of examples right here, like explain quantum computing in simple terms. So I'm just going to do that right here, and I'm going to answer right about there, and there you have it. As you can see, once I say that explain quantum computing in simple terms, ChatGPT gives me the answer right about here. So this is an amazing platform for you guys if you are into copywriting, or if you want to make YouTube video descriptions, or anything that you actually want. So next is let's go back to ChatGPT. Just let you show right here. So as you can see right here, we have a bunch of I have a bunch of examples for you to show, and ChatGPT also has some capabilities. So it remembers what users said earlier in the conversation. It allows user to provide follow-up corrections and train to decline inappropriate requests. So these are the capabilities of ChatGPT. And of course, ChatGPT also has some limitations. So ChatGPT is an OpenAI tool, or it is an AI tool, so it may occasionally generate incorrect information and may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. And this is also limited knowledge of world and events after 2021. So if you type an event, or if you ask an event in ChatGPT, like who won the World Cup, like for example, who won the FIFA World Cup 2022, and I believe Argentina won that. But if you say but if you ask ChatGPT who won the FIFA World Cup 2022, it will say that right here, as an AI language model, I don't have real-time information and my knowledge was last updated in September 2021. So as you can see, ChatGPT doesn't have a real-world capabilities because it was updated last September 2021. So with that being said, the questions stands like, can you use copywriting for ChatGPT? And the answer to that is yes. So let's just say let's search for types of copywriting. So as you can see, we have a bunch of copywriting right here. So for example, we have marketing copywriting. So if you are into all of these niches right here, so if you're into marketing copywriting, social media copywriting, you can just actually say that can you create a social media copywriting? So as you can see right here, it says, of course, here's a sample of social media copywriting for a fictional clothing brand. So as you can see right there, ChatGPT is now generated what I have actually said. So there you have it. It is now done. So if you want to add some humor, or if you want to add some more text to it, you can actually say, can you add humor on the text above? So as you can see right there, absolutely, here's an updated version of the social media copywriting with a touch of humor. So you can actually do this if you are into copywriting, if you are a beginner writer, or if you want to have a writing profession, you can actually choose use ChatGPT. So you can actually have a lot of things to do about this. Like for example, if I go to YouTube right here, and I'm gonna go to my channel right here. So as you can see, this is the channel that I have created. And as you can see, this is the description of the video that I have generated using ChatGPT. So if you're also into YouTube videos or any sorts of videos that you want, you can actually say, for example, we are into marketing YouTube videos. So I'm just going to say, can you create a video description about marketing? So as you can see right here, certainly here's a video description about marketing. So as you can see right here, ChatGPT also gave us a title of the video that we can actually use, and these are the description that we can actually use in our video. So ChatGPT is an amazing platform. It is an amazing tool, and it is very good. So all you have to do is make sure that you know about the limitations and the capabilities, so you won't be bothered why, like, let's say, hey, why ChatGPT doesn't recognizes my command or my questions. So make sure to check the limitations and of course the capabilities, so you won't have any problems in the future. So with that being said, that's it for this video, and if you find this video helpful, please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!